Hello, in this video we are going to learn about main or primary memories. Computer memory is any kind of hardware which stores data and instructions for the computer. The primary memory is accessed directly by the CPU. It is fast and more expensive than secondary memory. It is of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. The CPU can access randomly any part of the memory directly, making it very fast. Its content can be changed anytime by the CPU. However, its content are volatile, means all data is erased when computer is powered off. Its size is typically few GBs, hence there is always a need for additional storage. ROM stands for read-only memory. It can be read only by processor and it retains its data even after power is switched off. New data cannot be written on ROM, so typically it has information written during manufacturing phase itself. Due to this limitation, it contains fixed information like booting sequence of a computer or algorithmic tables for mathematical applications. Some computers also have something called as cache memory, which is small, high-speed, volatile memory available to the processor for fast processing. The processor uses cache memory when a set of data or instructions are to be accessed again and again.